Hello everybody, this is another new kind of problem in which we are asked to find the SOP form of two Boolean functions added together. In that, one function is in SOP, another is in POS form. This is problem number 3.26 from Digital Design by Moris Mano's 5th edition. Let's get started. The problem statement is to find f, where f is the function of f dot g, where small f is equal to a b c dash plus c dash d plus a dash c d dash plus b dash c d dash, and g is equal to a plus b plus c dash plus d dash added with b dash plus c dash plus d added with a dash plus c plus d dash. Now we go for the problem solution. The f is given in SOP form, that is sum of product, and g is given in POS, that is product of sum form, and we are asked to find the adding of f and g to get f, and tool to be used is K-map. And we are going to use the 4 variable K-map, and we have this construction setup which is already known to you. Let's get started to find the solution. So here we take the first term in which we have a b c dash. So here we have this ab, and here we have this c dash in these two columns. So corresponding to this 12th and 13th cell will be placed to 1 because it is in the SOP form. Then we go for the second term, which is c dash d. So we look at this c dash d. So this whole column must be filled with 1s. So that is covering the min terms 1, 5, 9 and 13. Then we go for the third term, that is a dash c d dash. So here we look for this a dash in these two rows and then the cd dash. So it corresponds to the second and sixth cells. So we place ones into that cells. Then we go for this last term, it is b dash c d dash. So we have to go for this b dash here and here also. Okay, these two rows consist of this b dash, and then we should look for the cd dash. Cd dash is this one. So this second cell and the 10th cell are now marked with ones. Okay, so we have placed ones corresponding to this function which is given in SOP form. So the remaining cells, what to do with the remaining cells? So we have to place zeros into the rest of the cells. Okay. Now we move on to the second function. Second function is this g function. So it has the first term as a plus b plus c dash plus d dash. So we look for this. It is nothing but a dash b dash here, and for the c dash d dash it is cd, isn't it? So this row along with this column, so it is occupying this third cell, but since it is in POS form, we place 0. So that is given in green color here. So now we move on to the second term. It is b dash plus c dash plus d. So that indicates b. Okay, so we look for b. So these two rows consist of b, and then c dash d means cd dash. So we look for this column. So this 6th and 14th cell correspond to this second term. Okay. So we have to place zeros in these two cells. Now we move on to the third term. It is a dash plus c plus d dash. So here a dash means we look for a. So these two rows are occupied by this, covered by this a, and c d dash means we have to look for c plus d dash means we have to look for c dash d. So it is this particular column. So this 9th and 13th cells are marked with zeros here. Okay, in green color. So we have marked this POS function on this K-map using the zeros on the cells 3, 6, 9, 13 and 14. Do one more thing. So the rest of the cells must be provided with this one value which is marked here with green color. Okay, so 0, 1, this 2, 4, 5, 7, and then 12, here 15, and then 8, 11 and 10. These are all marked with 1s. as we want to find the ANDing of this F and G, here F and G are marked in each and every cell. So bitwise operation like we can perform, right? So 0.1 you will get a 0. So this corresponds to capital F, which is the ANDing of FG. Okay. So the 0.1 is 0. This 1.1 in this cell, first cell is 1 because we find this dot product. 0.0 is here 0. Then 1.1 is 1. Then 0.1 0, 1.1 is 1, 0.1 0, 1.0 is 0, 1.1 is 1 here for the 12th cell, then for 13th it is 0, 15th it is 0, then 14th it is 0, then for this 8th it is 0, ninth cell also it is 0, 11th cell it is 0, and then 10th cell 1.1 it is 1. So these ones are marked in red color, remaining zeros are marked in blue color. So we got this already. This corresponds to what? That is F is equal to F dot G. Now we can remove that zeros because we are not going to get the answer in POS form. We were asked to find the simplest SOP form. Okay, so we keep the ones only and the zeros are removed. Okay, so once you got the ones into this capital F, what we need to do, we have to group them. Okay, so these two ones can be combined to form loop 1. So its corresponding expression is here and here we have. So this B dash is available here. So we place B dash here and here it is CD dash. It's okay for group 1. Then we go for this second one. So this cannot be combined with any other ones. It is a single one alone. So it forms loop 2 and its corresponding expression is here it is A dash B dash, here it is C dash D. Then we can combine these two, 4th and 12th cell, to form loop 3. So it is, here we have B, on the side we have C dash D dash, isn't it? So it is B C dash D dash. So the next step is to combine these expressions together. So it is B dash C D dash plus A dash B dash C dash D from this loop 2, and from this loop 3 it is B C dash D dash. So this is the answer in simple SOP form. Okay. Thank you. Hope you have understood.